Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I would like to show you how to create a restore point on your computer. Microsoft has, as an element of its operating system, something called System Restore. Sometimes it can help you restore your computer back to a state when it was functioning properly if it's not currently functioning properly. The thing is, most people don't have a restore point that is set up, and so they are not able to use System Restore. So here's how you set up a restore point. Now, it should be creating restore points automatically, but every now and then I always tell people it's not a bad idea to go to this PC and right click on it and left click on properties. And then on the left here where you see system protection, you left click on that. And you'll see right down here, it'll say create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. And you're going to highlight usually C, and then you're going to click create. And then you're going to name it something like great or whatever. Just, it doesn't really matter what you name it. Then just click create, and it'll create a system restore point so that if you maybe upgrade your drivers and your video doesn't work, or maybe you have some malware that's not that difficult to get rid of, you might be able to reboot your system into troubleshooting mode and then do a system restore to this restore point, and everything, hopefully will be back to where it ought to be. And then it'll come up, it'll say system restore point was created successfully, and then you can close that, and then you can say okay, and there you go. And that is how you create a system restore point for your Windows operating system. It should be, you definitely can do that in Windows 10, Windows 7. Pretty sure you could do it all the way back to Windows XP, although you shouldn't be using computers that have operating systems that old. And as an aside, Windows 7 is going to lose its mainstream support in January of 2020. So if you're using a Windows 7 machine, please stop doing that after January 2020, or disconnect it from your network and the internet. You can still use it, obviously. You just don't want to be using it on the internet because it's vulnerable to zero-day attacks. I hope everybody enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If so, please like the video, please share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody in the Memphis, Germantown, Collierville, Midtown, Cordova area, if you need in-home computer repair, I can come to your home and fix your computer while you wait. And as always, stay safe.